My name is Nancy, and I'm from Clover Animal Reparation and Equality. And I'm with Fitty Handmade Chocolate today, teaching you how to make chocolate truffle cookies. For this recipe, you're going to need some high-quality milk chocolate, about 2 bars worth. You're going to need half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of flour, half cup of butter, room temperature is best, 2 eggs, and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda and a quarter teaspoon of salt.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is get a double boiler ready with hot water on the bottom and add your chocolate and butter to the pan on the top. You're only going to add 1.5 bars of chocolate with the butter. Save the rest of the chocolate for later. For your second step, you're going to take your eggs and your sugar and combine them in a separate bowl, beating them until they're nice and fluffy with soft peaks. You can do this by either hand beating or using an electric beater. However, don't let them become too stiff because that will ruin the consistency of the cookies. After you've checked on your chocolate and it seems all melted, you can combine that to the egg-sugar mixture and stir them together. After those are thoroughly incorporated, you're going to add your powders. So this is your flour, your baking powder, and your salt. Stir those together until everything is well incorporated. The last thing you're going to mix in is your remaining chocolate, which should be cut into chocolate chunks, or if you already have chocolate chips. After that, it's recommended that you chill the batter in a refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Get your baking sheet ready and put a piece of parchment paper on it, or you can put some butter if you don't have any parchment paper, and lay out your cookies, about 12 per sheet. They will be a little bit thin, that is okay. This is how the cookies naturally look. After you lay them all out, you can sprinkle them each with a little bit of salt. That gives it a nice chocolatey, salty flavor, just like a truffle. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or about 175 degrees Celsius. After that, you can pop them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you want crunchier cookies, go around 10 minutes. If you want a little bit softer, around 8 minutes is okay. Then, take them out of the oven, let them cool, and they're ready to eat. Thanks so much for listening, you guys. I hope you enjoy these cookies as much as I do. And if you need any help, please leave some comments or questions. Once again, a big thank you to Fitty Handmade Chocolate for helping make this recipe with us today.